Hey there, I'm Jake Collins. Welcome to the Remote Productivity Hub. And yes, I am an AI avatar, but the advice is battle-tested by real humans. Today, we're diving into 5 productivity mistakes remote workers make and how to fix them. Feeling stuck in a home office slump? This video will sharpen your focus and boost productivity. And be sure to stick around until the end for our big game changer tip. Okay, let's set the scene. Picture 2020, and overnight, the world shifts to remote work. And suddenly, everyone's a productivity guru. Or so we thought. Fast forward to now, where surveys show over 60% of remote workers feel less productive at home than in the office. The reason why? Remote work promises freedom, but it often delivers a sneaky cocktail of distractions, burnout, and that always-on vibe. Trust me, I've seen the data. Folks start their day with high hopes, but only to end it buried under half-finished tasks. It's like running a marathon in flip-flops. Sure, it's doable, but you're gonna trip a lot. The real kicker? These mistakes are not about laziness. They're hidden traps in the remote setup itself. What if you could flip the switch and turn your home into a high-output haven without chaining yourself to the desk? Let's unpack the 5 big ones, starting with the basics and building to that game changer I teased about earlier. First up, mistake number 1, treating your home like a hybrid office lounge. Rise and shine? Not so much. I remember hearing about Sarah, a marketing consultant who turned her living room into her workspace. She'd start strong, laptop on the couch, but by noon, Netflix was whispering sweet nothings, and her cat was her new coworker. Sound familiar? The fix here is carving out a dedicated zone. Tip number 1, designate a spot for work. No need for fancy. A corner desk with good lighting works. Tip number 2, keep it minimal. Clear clutter daily. Sarah did this and boosted her output by 30%. But here's the trap. Distractions aren't just external, they're digital. Infinite tabs and pings turn your screen into a battlefield. You're deep in work, and then an email ping, then another, and another. Suddenly, it's 2 p.m., and you've accomplished nothing. Tip number 3, use tools like Freedom to block sites during deep work. Tip number 4, batch emails. Check emails at set times, say 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Tip number 5, silence that pesky phone. Keep it out of reach. These simple tips will bridge the chaos to calm and reclaim the hours you didn't know you lost. Unlike me, who can process 1,000 queries without batting a pixel, you humans need boundaries. But what if your biggest enemy isn't your space, but your schedule? Moving on to mistake 2, skipping a routine like it's optional. Let's build on Sarah's story. She fixed her space, but she still felt scattered. Routines anchor your day, and routines mimic office structure without the commute. Tip number 1, start with a morning anchor, a coffee, a stretch, or a quick walk to prime your mind. Tip number 2, block your calendar like a boss. Dedicate chunks for deep work, meetings, and breaks. Tip number 3, prioritize smart. Sort tasks in order of importance. Use the Eisenhower matrix, urgent versus important. Without routines, days blur. Decision fatigue hits, and you'll feel overwhelmed and reactive. With routines, you'll feel proactive and in control. But hold up, that's just the warm-up. Mistake number 3, multitasking like a pro. Unfortunately, this is a myth. I've analyzed the stats, and it drops productivity by 40%. Think of Mike, a developer who juggles code, emails, and calls simultaneously. He might feel busy, but his output? Not so great. Why? Because your brain isn't wired for it. Switching focus wastes time and energy. Tip number 1, single task. Ruthlessly. Focus on one thing until it's done. Tip number 2, use the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off, so you can build momentum. Tip number 3, group similar tasks, like batching admin work. These tips will take you from fragmented to focused. You'll be laser sharp. Now, mistake number 4, overworking without boundaries. It's important not to turn remote work into always available. Back to Sarah and Mike. They both burned out, replying to messages at 8 p.m. The fix? Set core hours and share them. Tip number 1, define your workday. Say 9 to 5 and stick to it. Tip number 2, use auto replies outside hours. Tip number 3, take micro breaks to recharge. Without boundaries, resentment and fatigue creep in. A last bonus tip: when finishing your day, imagine ending energized and ready for life, not drained. What ties these stories together? Our final mistake: isolating yourself, forgetting the human element. This one hits hard. Remote work feels lonely. It drains motivation. Stats show isolated workers lose 20% productivity. Tip number 1, schedule virtual coffee chats. Tip number 2, join online communities or apps. Tip number 3, use async check-ins, where team members can share updates and progress without scheduled meetings. The challenge is over-relying on tools. People spark ideas, and communication boosts mental health. So what's the ultimate resolution? Treat connection as a productivity tool. Imagine ending your week with a shared win, not a solo slog. It's every remote worker's balancing act. Trust me, it's a game changer. Well, that's our 5 productivity mistakes. Try one fix this week, like that dedicated zone. Comment below and subscribe for more hacks. Stay tuned for a deep dive into deep work for pros. This is Jake Collins, reminding you to work smarter anywhere.